Hey guys, what's going on? Let's talk about how to render your entire scene as one material. To do that, it's really simple. Just make sure you are in cycles, because if you're in Eevee, then it's not going to work how you want it to. Blender doesn't support that naturally. You'll have to install an add-on of some sort. So make sure you're in cycles, and then we're good to go. Go to your view layer properties, scroll down to this override section, hit the drop down button on that guy, select your material override, select whichever material you like. You can select blue or whatever, and now your entire scene is that one material. That's great. So another cool thing is you have this samples button. And so my default samples in the render tab is set to 75 max samples. Now, if I want to render it less, like 5, I can hit F12 now, and it will render at a max of 5 samples, as you can see up here where my mouse is. And then we get this nice render with everything as one material. So this is a really quick tutorial. Hopefully this helps you render your entire scene as one material. And a bonus, if you hit X, it won't actually switch your material on your object. So that's really good. That's the whole point of the override. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped, and I'll see you guys in another one. Adios.